Hey everyone, welcome to this Laravel series. If you're new to web development and looking to level up your PHP skills, you are in the right place. In the first video, we are diving into the Laravel, one of the most popular and powerful PHP framework used by developers around the world. So yeah, it is the bet you should go. Let's deep dive into this one. So what is Laravel? Simply put, Laravel is an open source PHP framework designed for building a modern, robust, and scalable web applications. It follows MVC structure, we can say model view controller structure, and it's come packed with a feature that make it easier to develop medium scale to large scale applications. So first, let's check out the official Laravel website to get the feel for the framework. Laravel's tagline is the PHP framework for the artisan, and that's pretty fitting the description. Whether you are building a small app or a large-scale enterprise solution, Laravel has to get covers. Now let's talk about some key features that Laravel makes the Laravel stand out for other PHP frameworks. It supports all the frameworks of a front end like a React.js, Vue.js, Svelte.js, as well as other third-party libraries that is come in between with Livewire and Inertia. It is a purely MVC structure defined in the framework that provides you functionalities like authentication, authorization, eloquent ERM, database migration that help you to control versioning for database. Also provide a validation rules that is a very strong validation rules, notification systems and mail, as well as a file storage. It is one of the good feature that Laravel provide is the file storage. Like you can manage multiple type of file storage in your application, as well as jobs and queue that helps you to process a long taking time kind of task into background, as well as it also provide a task scheduling to set up your task on a particular time without wasting your manual activity. So it also help to do automation for your applications, and also including testing and events and web sockets. So yeah, it is pretty much things that Laravel comes with by default when you install. Okay, so now let's check about the Laravel ecosystem. Laravel ecosystem is like a first party tools and packages that Laravel developer have created for especially for Laravel to support this framework and expand its features. So if you check the ecosystem tab in the Laravel menu, you can see the numbers of packages that supports Laravel different functionalities like a Breeze. So Breeze is the lightweight starter kit for scaffolding new applications with Blade and Inertia, and it allows you to set up authentication systems and package very quickly, like in a minute or 2 minutes you can set up this thing. Same as a Cashier. So Cashier is the package that helps you to integrate payment related system and subscription related systems. It can integrate with Stripe payment system as well as Paddle payment system, and you can easily integrate and use both payment systems, Stripe and Paddle, in your applications. Same as a Dusk is the automated browser testing tool that helps you to write a QA and unit testing for your application that helps to check on the browser side, like in the front end side. So yeah, like there is a numbers of first party packages available in Laravel ecosystem. We surely going to get one of every one of the package in detail in the upcoming videos, where I'll show you all these packages and their features and how you can use these packages in your real life applications and projects.